Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to do a close-up tutorial on how to make knotless braid. So I have this wig I'm making for a client, so I thought why not use it to do a close-up tutorial on knotless braid, so watch out. Now for those of you who are asking for where to get a dummy head, I'm going to leave my link on the description where you can order the dummy head. It's going to be easy for you to practice with, and that way you learn faster. Please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like and share my video. Please hit the notification bell so you get notified anytime we post new video. So let's start. Now I'm starting with braiding just the hair. Now I braid it 3 times before I start adding my extension. This is the second one and this is the third one. So now I'm starting with the first extension. You cross it over as if you're doing Ghana weaving, and then you remove the one on your left hand side and then you put it under the right hand side. That is it for the first extension. So now I'm going to add the second one. I'm going to add the second extension. You cross it over, then you remove the one on your left hand side and then you add it under your right hand side using your index finger and your thumb to hold it. As you can see, it's smooth. So that is it. Then I'm going to add the third extension now. Remember I said I'm using 4 extensions per braid. This is the third one. I'm making this wig for a client, so I thought to use it to do a close-up tutorial on how to braid knotless. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share my video, give me a like. Like I said before, remember when you're getting to the finish line of the hair, you're getting closer to finishing up the main hair. That is where you add your last extension. The reason is our hair is usually rough at the tip, just like I said before. So adding extension there will make it more smoother. So I'm going to add the last extension. You can see how smooth it is instead of being rough. So this is it. So I'm just going to braid to the finish. Please don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for your support. Alright, let's take it one more time. So this is it, guys, for our knotless braid. So I'm going to just braid to the finish. It's a pre-cord attachment, so I'm going to stop where the cord starts. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. If you are a returning viewer, thank you for your support. Thanks for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.